Did you know toddlers can have iron deficiency? Even in an affluent country like the US, up to 10% of toddlers can be iron deficient, and this is even higher in developing countries like India and other Asian countries. As a doctor, I myself could not recognize when my toddler had iron deficiency until we had a blood test done for a different reason. In this video, I will talk about iron deficiency, and keep watching this video to learn 5 simple steps you can follow and stop worrying about iron deficiency. Hi, I'm Dr. Raj. I'm a child health doctor and this is my son Adya.
Hi, I'm Arjun. Coming to back.
Thank you for watching this video. I welcome you to my channel. Please do hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up like button. Please share this video to create awareness amongst others. Please help us help you to create content relevant to children, parents, and family. So toddlers are children aged 1 to 3 years. Sometimes they can extend up to 4 years. They're rapidly growing. They're always on the move. They keep frequently snacking. They're picky eaters and they have increased nutritional demand. So all this puts them at an increased problems for having nutritional deficiencies, and one of the commonest one that happens is iron deficiency. Iron deficiency in toddlers will show up as pale skin, breathlessness, easy fatigue, poor appetite. They can have poor growth and development. Sometimes these toddlers can have unusual eating habits. You can see them snacking on ice, dirt. This should signal iron deficiency. This phenomena is called pica. Now let's get to the 5 simple steps to take care of iron deficiency and not worry about it. Step 1 is increase iron in your diet. Foods rich in iron include dried beans like lentils, chickpea, kidney beans. Vegetables like potatoes, green peas, broccoli, spinach. Fruits like pomegranate, watermelon, mangoes. Animal sources of iron include meat, poultry, fish, eggs. You can also include iron fortified cereal in your toddler's diet. So next time when you buy cereal, make sure it clearly says it is an iron fortified cereal. Whole wheat bread and cream of wheat or Sooji are also other excellent sources of iron. Jaggery is also a very good source of iron. You can actually satisfy your toddler's sweet cravings by replacing jaggery over refined sugar. Nuts are an excellent source of iron, and nuts like dates, prunes, raisins are a good choice. Never feed whole nuts to your toddler. They are at a risk of choking. Now to step 2. Feed your toddler foods rich in vitamin C along with iron-rich foods. This is because vitamin C helps in absorption of iron. Some of the vitamin C rich foods include oranges, strawberry, lemon, cantaloupe, tomatoes. Now to step 3. Limit foods that make it harder for the body to absorb iron. This is especially important with cow's milk. Limit your child's intake of cow's milk to 24 ounces a day. An easy way to remember is about half a liter of milk every day. Step 4 is to limit snacks like chips, cookies between meals. So one is this is not only low in nutrition, but it can also interfere with the child's hunger at mealtime. Instead, treat these snack times as important meals and substitute with healthy food options like fresh fruits or mini meals. Step 5. For the extremely picky eaters or toddlers who do not like fruits and vegetables, consider iron supplements. If you have a small baby and watching this video, supplement with iron liquid using a dropper starting at the age of 4 months and even earlier if you have a premature baby. Thank you for watching this video. Do hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up like button. Comment below in the comment section if you have any questions, so I'll be happy to answer. Take care and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.